Yeah, that's a clip right there. Alright, let's go to the spot.
Go back to our recall.
This is our fucking spot.
You won the push there. That's clean.
Oh fuck.
Go forward.
I was too slow.
Look, now you can pick off stragglers, hit the boss. Looks like they're already regrouped.
That guy's got crazy evasion. That
Mark,
literally everything.
It's fine. Hit the boss.
Mark lethal skull or something so I can heal him.
You can pull, look. There's some running through you. Like, look, this bean kid's running through you. Kill him.
I can see them coming from like 2-ish. They're going around. Okay, the same play.
Look, they're ready.
It's almost about to be the same play.
Then they're gonna hit you. Come back.
Yeah, we want to hit it late though. I think. What are Zerg fucking?
Come back. They're ready for next spear.
Yeah.
Especially after all the flash waves have gone out.
You can kill the
Yeah,
one.
exactly.
We can out brawl them. Because Combo's dots actually like hurt a lot in a brawl.
The crossbows are gonna come now. Crossbows are coming in now.
Oh wait, they might come to us. They might just sit here.
Crossbows are in now.
I think we just sit here and try and see if we can get something.
3, 2, 1. Look at them.
Should we go to the left? Go to 2-ish and hit them from that side? Or just fight them straight
I
up?
mean, they're looking at us. Like,
Okay.
we're at the front of the ball. So.
Pools on
I'm
shields.
stuck in this fucking tree. But I'll die.
I would just say hold this and fucking burn them. I look at fucking guild knows what's up. I haven't used my sleep. I'm gonna look for a big sleep here.
I'm gonna smoke right now.
Holy heavy.
I just kind of fucking insta stun.
Just hold one.
I think my sleep missed anyway.
One is your fortress. Hold it. They're so fucking low trying to push this shit. Send flashes in their direction. Let's go. Hold one.
We're slept.
Make sure
Barcode.
we have way more countries.
I'm a monkey and didn't go G-Force now, so my fucking frame cheeks.
I have no skills right now. Above us. Let's get these fuckers.
I was sponging them coming in.
Crossbow ball kept sitting in the safe zone behind you guys at once. So you guys at one point has to watch that.
Yeah, I think they're trying to fucking crossbow bomb us from up here now, actually.
Yeah, come up a little bit. Oh, Trollski's in it. You guys are kind of far.
You guys need to do a better job stopping that.
Fuck.
Look, their major's gonna come in now. Like, let them in.
Okay. Group up, I'm buffing.
I slept.
Fuji buff.
Look, 3, 2, 1. Anything.
Let them fucking crossbow bomb. They're all gonna slept instantly. They even have their fucking sleeper up here.
On Alex, on one.
This guy ridiculous.
Fuck me.
They're about to push. They're pushing now.
Play. I'm not there.
Yeah, they're walking. Let them walk in.
Oh my god.
You can just beam on them, but the crossbowers are probably gonna try and sleep us.
Top buffs. You already hit them on the band. 3, 2,
Actually lagging.
1. Hit them here. Look, they're all fucking stunned. Towards 4. Hit towards 4. You can one-shot them. You can one-shot them here. You can one-shot them all. Towards 4. Look how low they are. Look how fucking low.
I'm coming. Jayong.
Hit deep where you can.
They're running away here.
They're trying to take our rock.
Yeah, I know. I'm dropping a pool. There's a pool.
My sleep missed. I'm lucky. I'm just dotting them all.
We're chilling. Prism's up top being a
Prism
fucker.
has been tasked with just knocking us off the rock, by the way. Like, I can kill him. I'm just gonna pull dot him and kill him. That's just easier.
Come back to 1. Hold 1. Come back to 1 and hit the boss.
He just keeps pushing me out before.
It'd be better if we got Leaf inside here instead of Poppy. Just for Da Vinci's and stuff. I don't know.
Try to pull the boss to 1.
I don't know.
Try to pull the boss to 1.
Yeah, I mean, you can replace me. So.
Try to pull the boss to 1.
I think that's disrespectful.
Late
sleep.
I mean, I know that, but I'm just meant like.
No, I mean he benefits from Da Vinci's too.
Okay.
They're both DPS. I think it's the same.
I'm not no disrespect, you know.
A couple times he just literally only.
This Rhythm guy, I think, literally has been told to come knock us off the rock. Because he
He's
just
a
kept
different
pushing
guild.
me.
I think you're right.
He's the opposite guild. He's Celestials. He's not even in with the Alliance.
Oh,
Oh,
I thought
never
he
mind.
was.
Well, let's
Oh, look,
pretend he
they're
still
hitting.
is
They're coming
then.
into us.
Yeah. Oh, let's go to the right, to the right, to the right,
I just
to the right.
got
Let's do it. Let's go down. We'll throw
Yeah.
him off.
All the way behind. Oh shit! I went up. Yep. Come to me. Where's Fuji?
3, 2, 1. Look down.
I got a baby sleep right in front of us.
I got a pool on me.
I'm just looking to heal you guys now.
I'm dead.
They're gonna
They're
hit
all
us.
on top of us. Look at them.
Okay, get out. Just get out. And then we can reset. Alright.
It was retard.
I got pulled again. They double pulled me, bro. Like, what the fuck is that?
Yeah, there you go. Perfect.
That's a bookmark.
They're weak right now. We'll just hit the boss.
Name a better duo than troll and getting CC'd and yelling.
Dude, holy fuck. It's so sickening.
Single target skills only.
We're walking in.
Oh, they're coming in right into us.
I don't
think
think
we
we have
just hold
Devo and
ground.
shit though.
Let's just
I
hold
have
it.
Da Vinci's.
Okay, already countered. Look, 3. Nice work.
I'm putting a full flash wave.
Now. Everything.
Yeah, go to the right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Beautiful.
Hit the back though, like the back.
Yeah, they lose that.
Between
Yeah, like
us
get
and
in
rock.
there.
Yeah,
I am.
I'm about to try and
I'm tornadoing first. I'm CC'd.
Yeah, see that was perfect. That was actually like perfect.
Manju.
Rhythm's back up on
No,
the
it's
rock.
not working. My assist isn't. Wait, are you targeting somebody right now, Fuji?
Yeah, Majub.
Alright, is he too far away? Can you try targeting somebody closer?
Heaven.
Get some. Okay, let's get some DPS on the boss, I think.
Healer. I'm
That's
targeting him.
weird.
We need a
It's like not
DPS
working.
boss.
Only they're ready to push
Oh shit.
Reaper.
Hit the boss, or it's not gonna die.
Yeah, it doesn't work.
Mine works. Pretty perched.
Look, they're coming from 2. I mean, there's an action at 2. I don't know where
Oh,
they're
it doesn't.
coming
The keybind doesn't work though.
Yeah. What do you have to press then?
Oh well, mine is. I think I know why mine doesn't work actually. So mine doesn't work because it's conflicting with NVIDIA.
Targeting DZ right now. Who the hell is hitting us?
I don't know, I zoned out.
Guilds 2, 3, 4. I'd pop a summon here at 4 in the
This
front.
Reaper
Oh
guy.
look, they're coming. Let's go to 2 and hit them. Oh wait, they're coming. Kill this guy on us.
I'm down.
Okay, come in. Oh shit.
Alright, Matt's already down.
Yeah, this is safe, I think.
Oh.
Okay. That's alright. They move. That's fine.
I was about it too, but yeah.
Okay, get ready.
I burned too many cooldowns trying to kill this Reaper guy.
Let's glide all the way to 2. Ooh, this is easy. Glide to 2. They're all Fury.
Alright.
If we land over here,
Yeah.
buff up and go.
Just run in, find the big
Go for Fuji.
Look at them. 3, 2, 1. Everyone hit them now.
On shield.
Half of those not hitting. Listen, you gotta hit them at 3 now. Push 3 now.
Pull on heart.
Push 3 now, please. Push 3 now. Nice.
I couldn't get into it. I was down.
Yeah, I was getting fucked up.
That's it.
I think that was a hard angle for us to take because we had to move so far.
Yeah.
Alright.
They were super deep and then fucking random.
Just get out.
What is that? Is that Fable?
Yeah, Fable is there.
Hit the boss, put you back to the 4. Hit the boss.
Bot really has a snaring arrow in his fucking large scale. Jesus Christ, and it hits me out of all people.
We're okay. We're in a good position.
I'm just gonna fucking put dots on this guy. I don't know. It's gonna knock me down though.
I'll burn the boss here if you can.
I'm gonna pop the boss damage.
And I'd say that we probably could have done. We probably could have straight up jumped off that mountain and like flew until we seen them and then just dropped on them.
Okay.
I wasn't expecting. I saw some
Look at
remnants at 2. That was Fable. That's
Yeah,
all
it
shy
was like-
gamers.
Alright, they're gonna do one big.
It was like
right
deep.
now.
No way!
Here. Look, next
They
phase
have their
is
box
really
spot is
quick.
at mall right now.
If they do that again, we just fly right down the mid, I think.
Yeah.
It's hard for us to hit when they're on the opposite side of the circle.
Walking
I
in
think
now.
that's what.
Nah.
Come back, everyone come back. It's
You
about
can
to
kind of
clear.
see him right now.
I can
Yeah,
see
I
the
can
whole
see him.
thing.
We
I'll
also
let-
just need our team to be
Okay.
fighting, or then we're just straight.
Yeah.
Right, yeah.
They got all their guardian.
Fear to wipe us and then take them off.
They're gone.
Let's get in there. Come on.
We need to use
They're up
guardians
here.
on this one too.
Yeah, I don't think we
Look,
get
look,
there
look,
before they're
look,
unfeared
You're
though.
gonna one-shot them here.
Okay,
Okay,
follow Sam. Follow Sam.
Go to
Go.
2-3
Go,
mid.
Sam.
2, 1, send them back to fucking Lasland. Right now. Send them all back to fucking Lasland. One-shot them. Full push. Push through, motherfuckers. Push through.
Flash on shield.
Sleep in the middle.
Beautiful kills, beautiful.
I'm CC'd.
My
Take those
shit
kills,
though.
now hit the boss. Take those kills, now hit the boss. Take those kills, hit the boss. Ignore tanks.
Okay, let's get to the middle. Get to the middle some, so we're not all in their face.
Hit the boss now.
Get to the middle some.
100%. Burn the last 1%. There's something
The
gets
middle,
done.
the middle.
Burn the last 1%.
Yeah, I called summon gates a long time ago.
I think we played by 4. Go by our.
They're gonna hit us.
Okay, let's go back to. Okay.
Just
Look, they're pushing again. Look, spread.
And then we jump down on them.
Defensives.
In the middle, yeah.
I think we can hit them from the left side.
Hit them again towards 2. 3, 2, 1. Hit them.
Okay, let's glide again.
No, we're kind of late.
Yeah.
Wipe them. Full push them. They're panic. They're just trickling in. They're panicking. You're about to get feared. Just try to take kills.
I have a fat sleep right in the middle of their ball.
Look, when you get out of fear, hit them. Take kills. When you get out of fear, hit them. Take kills.
Smoke on me. Hitting where Fuji's at.
Damn, I didn't.
First. Burn boss. Everyone burn boss now. Everyone burn the fucking boss now. Everyone burn the fucking
Get
boss.
out.
Oh, get out. Go to middle.
5%. Everyone burn the fucking boss now.
Hit the bus. Drive by it. Just kill the bus.
Yeah, I'm gonna
Oh,
kill
right
them.
now.
Everyone hit it. It can die. If everyone hits it now, it can die. Everyone hit it now.
Incoming.
I can't. Grip me if you can. Never mind. I'm good.
2, 1.
No, I'm not.
Hit them back now. Don't let fucking flash wave you. Hit them
Flash wave on shield. Big clump on shield. Big clump on shield. Pull on you, Fuji.
Nice. Beautiful kill. Good job. Kill them all. They're still really clumped towards them. Kill them all.
I got a meteor.
Push them to.
Okay.
What?
I'm on skull here. On lethal.
Hey,
Push the 2.
One gate.
Back lethal.
Push the 2. You're still fighting
Oh, I'm
Killing you guys in bottom.
Push the 2, man. Please.
Okay, push. We gotta push up.
Yeah, and drop to the drop at 4 things. Blue should be yours.
Okay, flash wave on shield. Second shield.
And pick up your loot.
Or Arcane Shadow Hat. I need that for my build.
That's my bad, boys. I didn't